Hey, how's it going, everyone? Justin again. As always, thanks for watching my channel. Welcome back. Cheers to those of you that have your beers. I hope you're enjoying your work week so far. So Mac Tools now sells Doyle Pliers. Are you kidding me? I'm just fucking with you guys. I remember when I did that video that Harbor Freight now sells Mac Tools. Everyone went crazy nutso. I get it, okay? I didn't do a hard metal hardening test. I didn't cut them in half to show you what they were made out of. We didn't beat them to death with a sledgehammer. A lot of you guys commented that those things are made in China. Mac Tools are made by Stanley. You're high. You're an idiot. You're a douchebag. I get it. I got it. So I thought it would be funny to do the titling, the complete opposite of what I originally titled it for, just to mess with you guys, because I just thought it was so funny. You guys messed with me so much on that video just because I thought there was such a likeness and such a comparison to them. But I get it, I get it. There's no way to justify that was, you know, there was no way to clearly prove that one was better than the other except for the contest over time, you know, to see how long they would hold up over time versus the ones that I've already had since time forgotten, which has been about 8 years now. But at any rate, Harley Adam did go out of his way for me, hooked it up. He sent me a photo of this sweetest plier set I've ever seen with the green handle. And I was like, dude, those are killer sick. Is there any way that I can shoot you some cash to get me that plier set? Because I've been looking to get a more complete plier set, but they cost so much. I mean, if you try to, you know, nitpick it and buy them individually, you're looking at anywhere between 30 bucks to 50 bucks a pair. Sometimes you can get like, what, a 3-piece set for 100 bucks. And if you go to Harbor Freight and you do decide to buy them all individually, you're not gonna get the exact same ones that came in this kit. You'll get a fair amount, but those are usually between $13 and $20 a piece, $25 a piece. So let's say the average was like $15 roughly. I think you can get, what, 3, 6, 9 plus tax. You can get a 6-piece set for the same price that I got for this 11-piece set. So literally, I almost got 12 pieces for the same exact price that I could have bought on a whole bunch of individual ones from Harbor Freight, only twice as many. So I just thought it would be killer awesome to share that with you guys, because I know all the time I'm hearing, oh, you know, Mac Tools is so expensive, Snap-on's so expensive, Cornwell's so expensive, Matco's so expensive. Why the hell would you want to do that? You can do the same thing with Harbor Freight. You can do the same thing with Craftsman, etc., etc., etc. Guys, let this video be proof enough to you that you can find some killer deals on the tool truck. To get an entire bag full 11-piece set of pliers off of the tool truck for 100 bucks on a promo is sick. I mean, that's sickening, that's mad, that's crazy, that's a great deal. So why wouldn't you jump on the tool truck from time to time just to see if you can't find some good quality product? And a lot of you have told me that this is all made by Stanley, made in the USA. Great. Hey, even better. I got an 11-piece set for 100 bucks made in America. America. Right? So cheers to that shit. But at any rate, 2 pieces that I probably won't use in the automotive profession, but I'll probably use for handyman stuff, would be the lineman cutters, or lineman pliers. And you guys will have to tell me, I'm not sure what these are called, so I won't call them anything other than wire cutters, because I'm not sure what these are actually called. But these are a little bit oversized and overkill for what it is that I'll be using them for. I can simply use a small pair of dikes like it came with, or wire cutters, diagonal cutters, whatever you want to call them. I can use something like this all day long, which we have. We've been using them for not only welding, but for cutting and fixing rodent damage on wires. I got a bigger set in case I need to get down somewhere else and get a little bit deeper and mad with it, or I need a little bit more strength, so I got more leverage with these. Perfect. The slip joints are awesome. I have a little red-handled pair of these, which have been nothing but phenomenal for the last 8 years, so why wouldn't I want to get another pair, but with a green handle? So I was able to bring half my pliers home, and now I actually have pliers at the house for DIY stuff, and then I've got a complete set at work. They also came with an oversized pair of these slip joint pliers, which are absolutely amazing. I've been using these for hose clamps and everything else, and they really just get in there, bite down, and got plenty of leverage. Love them, love them, love them, love them. The littler ones get the smaller clamps. They're perfect. I also am really digging these little 45-degree angle mini needle nose. They're amazing for electrical connectors. I've been using those. I've been using the heck out of them. I haven't really grabbed these too much, but my boss has, and he loves these too. These are the regular size needle nose. An interesting pair that they have is more of like a long reach needle nose. And this is kind of interesting because it has like a crimper, wire stripper, wire cutter, all in one with a longer shank. So you can get down into some recessed areas pretty good with this, and that's pretty amazing to me. Then of course you get your tongue and groove pliers. These are pretty cool to like loosen up the top, upper or lower radiator hoses. Love these things. These things have been awesome. Used the crap out of them so far. I did an unboxing originally, but I accidentally deleted the footage. So I've been using these for about a week now. Absolutely love them. Bigger set, work great for even bigger hoses that I gotta take off. Also work really good for stubborn clamps that I need a little bit more leverage out of. So love them, love them, love them, love them. Look, guys, it is possible to find a killer deal on a decent plier set or whatever you're looking for, man. There are some good deals on the tool truck. Not everything is a killer deal, but there are some really good deals on there. And 9 times out of 10, I've been pretty satisfied with the purchases that I've made on the tool truck. Granted, it did come at a cost, but I've been overall satisfied. I've had very few tools actually fail me. The ones that have, I've done a video on already, and I'll put that up here in a card for you guys to take a look at later. The ones that I've had that have been cheap tools, sometimes they last forever. Sometimes they fail immediately, in which case it doesn't even give me time to do a review. I just take it back to the store because I need it in a pinch and I go get another one. So to me, it's like, how convenient is it to take it back and warranty it out? Yes, of course, you can drive to and from the place that you bought it from and warranty it out. But who wants to warranty it out 3, maybe 4 times during a single repair? Sometimes you just want good quality shit that's gonna last you, that you don't have to go and change out every other time you use it or every time you use it. So that would be some of my reasons for why you'd want to spend a little bit more money on the tool truck for a more of an expensive product. But like I said, you can also get an expensive product or a better quality product at a better deal that you can buy at Harbor Freight. This is amazing. To get an 11-piece set, and that's almost twice as many as I could have bought from Harbor Freight on the tool truck on a promo. Thanks to Harley Adam. Thank you, brother. I appreciate it. Thank you, everyone, for watching. Didn't mean to clickbait you. Just thought it'd be funny to do the quite opposite of what I already did. Hit the thumbs up if you liked the video. A thumbs down if you didn't like the video. Share if you want to share. We'll see you guys next time. And I'll put Harley's channel down in the description. Make sure you go give him a thumbs up on one of his videos or subscribe. He's got some awesome content. Love that guy. Couldn't ask for a better friend. Thanks as always for watching, guys. We'll see you next time. Deuces.